Breaking news this morning. A ruptured pipe at a major power plant in the Delaware area is raising concerns heading into the holiday weekend. The incident is threatening electricity for up to 1 million homes across the region.
They sent us a video of the pipe leaking. When we got to site, the pipe had burst. It was a little more extreme than what we had originally thought. The top of the pipe actually blew out. So it went from being a spray and a crack in the pipe to it literally was a 2 foot by 3 foot chunk of the pipe that completely let loose.
I was like, oh man, we got a big problem, especially since we had a deadline to meet. You know, if this plant don't go back online, you know, there's a lot of lives affected.
It was cold out and they needed that plant up and running. The demand for power was coming and they knew it.
You have a metal pipe and then a 2-inch concrete liner on the inside. So you have to make a form on the inside of the pipe because we couldn't enter the pipe. Get your 2 inches of concrete to hang, then you can reinforce the pipe.
4141 is a lightweight concrete. Considering we had to hang concrete in an area with no form, that had the best possible outcome for success was using that material because of its weight. On this particular pipe, the outer casing was deteriorated. After talking to the technical department for Belzona, we got the strengths that we needed and the amount of wraps we needed for it to be almost a standalone replacement for the pipe. I wish people knew that when something breaks, they're not an inconvenience because of a company like ours that responds, fixes the problem, and they don't even notice it because it's back online before it's an issue.
Local energy plant fixed in less than 72 hours after a pipe burst on Black Friday. Power has been restored to roughly 1 million homes.